In this video, you'll learn how to edit and upload a video to Udemy. By the end of this guide, you will have a polished lesson ready for your students on the platform. Begin by preparing and editing your video. Use a high-quality camera or reliable screen recording software to capture your lesson. After recording, utilize video editing software to refine the content. This includes removing any mistakes and enhancing clarity. You may also want to incorporate transitions, titles, or subtitles to improve comprehension. Ensure the audio is clear and the visuals are sharp, as this contributes to a professional appearance. Aim to keep the video concise to hold student attention effectively. When you finish editing, save the final video file in a supported format such as MP4 to ensure compatibility with Udemy. Next, it's time to upload the video to your course. Begin by logging into your Udemy instructor account. Once logged in, navigate to the instructor dashboard. From there, select the course where you wish to upload the video lesson. Locate the curriculum section and click on the option to add a new lecture. When prompted, choose the video lecture type. This will allow you to upload your edited video file directly from your computer. Keep in mind that the upload process may take some time, especially for larger files. The duration of the upload will depend on your internet speed and the size of the video file. After the video upload completes, Udemy will automatically process the video. During this stage, the system prepares the content for streaming, which may take a few moments. You will see a notification indicating that the video is being processed. It is essential to wait for this process to finish to ensure the video is properly formatted for student access. Once the upload and processing stages are complete, review the lecture to confirm everything is functioning as expected. Play the video to check that both the audio and visuals are displaying correctly. Additionally, you have the option to add captions, lecture descriptions, or downloadable materials that can enhance the learning experience for your students. Take time to organize the lecture within the correct section of the course for easy navigation. Finally, once you are satisfied with the content and all settings have been adjusted, save the lecture settings. This action will make the video available to students as part of your course. Regularly reviewing your content is vital for maintaining the quality of your course materials. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.